Tired of your videos and images looking stretched, pixelated, or just plain wrong in DaVinci Resolve 18? Let's fix that. First, import your video or image into your media pool. Simply drag and drop the files into the media pool from your computer. Drag your clip onto the timeline. You'll immediately see if there are any obvious scaling issues. Select your clip on the timeline, then go to the Inspector tab in the upper right corner of the screen. In the Transform section, you'll find the zoom controls. Adjust the zoom slider to scale your video or image up or down. Use the position controls to center it. You can also rotate the image using the rotation controls. For more precise control, look at the scaling options drop-down. Choose scale to fit the video or image within the frame, maintaining its aspect ratio. Or, select scale to fill to completely fill the frame, potentially cropping the edges. This is useful for eliminating black bars. Avoid using stretch unless you want to intentionally distort your image. To change the overall project resolution, click the project settings icon in the lower right corner. In the master settings, you can adjust the timeline resolution. Choosing a lower resolution will result in a smaller file size but can affect the quality of the final video. Choose your resolution according to your final platform. Explore input scaling and output scaling for advanced control over how Resolve handles different resolutions. Experiment to see what works best for your footage. That's it. Now you can confidently resize your videos and images in DaVinci Resolve 18 for a perfect fit. Happy editing!